You are ignoring a button in your car right now that could instantly save you $5,000. It's not a rumor, it's engineering. Along with 16 other hidden features, 9 out of 10 owners have zero clue they even exist. We're decoding your car's secrets today to save you serious money and massive headaches. Stick with me, don't skip, because this is the stuff the dealership forgets to tell you during the handoff. Let's get to work. Secret number 17. Hidden sunroof and window open with your fob. Picture this, it's mid-July, your car has been baking in the sun for 8 hours, and it's basically a mobile sauna. Most drivers walk up, open the door, and take that blast of scorching 140-degree air right in the face. They sit in it, suffer, and wait 10 minutes for the AC to win the battle. That's an amateur move. Your key fob actually has a hidden vent command. On most modern vehicles, if you press the unlock button once and then immediately press and hold it for 5 seconds, a hidden relay triggers. All 4 windows roll down and the sunroof pops open simultaneously. It flushes the trapped heat before you even touch the door handle. Have you tried this on your car yet? Some manufacturers even let you customize which windows move in the infotainment settings. It's the ultimate summer survival hack that most people realize they have only after they sell the car. Secret number 16. Hidden reset button in your trunk. This next one is the difference between driving home and being stranded on the side of the road with a $300 tow bill. It's a literal lifesaver, but it's also a common source of fake mechanical failure. It's called the fuel pump inertia switch. Its job is to cut power to the fuel pump during a crash to prevent fires. But here's the catch. The calibration is often so sensitive that hitting a massive pothole or clipping a curb can trip it. Your engine will die instantly and refuse to restart, making you think your fuel pump just gave up the ghost. Before you call for a tow, check the trunk or the passenger footwell. You'll find a small button, usually behind a plastic access panel. One click resets the circuit, and your car fires right back up. How many people do you think have paid for a brand new fuel pump they didn't actually need? Secret number 15. Interior light door switch. We've all been there. You're loading groceries, the dome light stays on way too long, and you're paranoid it's going to kill your battery. Or worse, it's pitch black and the light won't turn on at all. Most people think their car is just glitchy, but the fix is hidden in plain sight. On your overhead console, there's a 3-position switch: on, off, and a middle setting often marked with a door icon. That middle position is the logic gate. It syncs your lighting to the door sensors and the ignition timer. If your battery keeps dying, check this switch first. Manufacturers bury these settings because they assume the average driver won't bother to learn them. It's a simple treasure hunt that protects your alternator and your sanity. Secret number 14. Passenger seat adjustment remotely. Ever been stuck in traffic with a passenger who can't figure out the seat controls? It's awkward, and if they're elderly or have limited mobility, it's a genuine struggle. On many higher-end trims, check your driver's side door panel. You might see a second set of seat icons or a button labeled LR or Pass. This is a master override. It allows you to adjust the passenger's recline and distance right from your own seat. It turns a stressful situation into a seamless luxury experience for your guest. Most owners think these are just backup buttons for the driver, but using them correctly makes you look like the most prepared person on the road. Secret number 13. Climate control reset button combination. Is your AC blowing lukewarm even after a recharge? Before you spend $150 on a diagnostic fee at the dealer, try this secret handshake. Modern climate systems use small electric motors called blend door actuators. Sometimes they lose their calibration and get stuck. By holding a specific combination, usually the AC and recirculation buttons together for 5 seconds, a system recalibration triggers. All 4 flaps clicking and moving behind the dash as the computer resets the 0 point. This simple 10-second reset can fix 50% of broken AC units instantly. Why pay a mechanic to do something you can do with 2 fingers? Secret number 12. Windshield wiper service mode secret. You go to change your wipers, but they're tucked under the lip of the HUD. You try to pull them up and crunch, you've just chipped the paint on your hood or bent the wiper arm. This is a common $500 mistake. Modern cars have a service mode for this exact reason. On most vehicles, if you turn the ignition off and immediately hold the wiper stalk in the up position, the wipers will sweep to the middle of the glass and stop. They're now locked in place so you can safely fold them out and swap the blades. It's been a standard feature since 2010, yet mechanics see bent wiper arms every week. Secret number 11, augmented reality navigation display overlay. This feels like science fiction, but if you have a newer vehicle, it's likely already there. Instead of squinting at a tiny 2D map, look for the AR setting in your navigation menu. It uses the front-facing camera to project blue directional arrows directly onto a live video feed of the road ahead. It tells you exactly which lane to be in for that confusing highway split. It's a massive safety upgrade that reduces eye strain and prevents missed turns. Statistics show an AR-enabled driver is 40% less likely to make a navigation error, yet 80% of owners never even turn it on. Secret number 10, passenger mirror dip feature for parking. If you've ever felt that soul-crushing scrape of a $500 alloy rim hitting a curb while parallel parking, this secret is for you. Most cars with power mirrors have a turb view mode. Here is the trick. Move your mirror selector switch to the right or passenger side and leave it there. Now, when you shift into reverse, the passenger mirror will automatically tilt down to show you exactly where your rear tire meets the curb. Shift back into drive and it returns to normal. It's a brilliant bit of engineering that eliminates the guessing game. If your mirror doesn't move, check your settings menu. It's likely just disabled. Secret number 9, brake hold function button. Traffic jams are a workout for your right foot. Constantly hovering over the brake pedal is exhausting and, believe it or not, a major cause of driver fatigue. Look for a button near your shifter labeled auto hold or a circled A. When active, you can take your foot completely off the brake once you've come to a full stop. The car holds the pressure for you until you touch the gas. It's safe, it's reliable, and it's one of those features that once you use it, you'll never buy a car without it again. Secret number 8, prevent key fob hacking with storage trick. This isn't a button, but it's a feature of physics you need to use. Tech-savvy thieves now use relay attacks to pick up your key fob signal from inside your house and use it to unlock your car in the driveway. It takes 5 seconds. The secret defense? Your car came with a physical metal key inside the fob for a reason, but the real trick is where you store the fob. Keeping it in a metal tin or a $10 Faraday pouch blocks the signal entirely. Think about where your keys are right now. If they're on a hook by the front door, you're basically leaving your car door wide open. Secret number 7, parking sensor sensitivity adjustment settings. Do your parking sensors scream at you when there's still 3 feet of space? It's annoying enough that most people just turn them off, which defeats the purpose. Deep in your vehicle settings menu, there is almost always a sensitivity or volume tone adjustment. You can calibrate the distance thresholds so they only beep when you're actually in the danger zone. Taking 5 minutes to tune this will save you from backing into a pole because you were tired of the beeping. Secret number 6. Electronic parking brake service mode for mechanics. If you have an electronic parking brake, the little switch instead of a handle, you cannot change your rear brakes the old-fashioned way. If you try to force those pistons back, you will snap the internal motor, a $1,000 mistake. There is a service mode hidden in the dashboard that electronically retracts the parking brake calipers so you can swap the pads. Every car has a different dance to enter this mode, like holding the brake and the EPB switch while cycling the ignition. Knowing this secret allows you to do your own brakes and avoid this specialized tool surcharge at the shop. Secret number 5, bird's eye view parking camera feature. If your screen shows a split view when you're in reverse, you have the most powerful parking tool ever created, the 360-degree camera. It uses 4 separate cameras to stitch together a god's eye view of your car. It's not just for show, it's for precision. It shows you exactly how centered you are in the lines and if there's a stray shopping cart in your blind spot. Many owners never toggle through the camera views to find this, sticking only to the basic rear view. Don't be that owner.
Secret number 4. Fold flat rear seats for cargo. You'd be shocked how many people rent a U-Haul when their sedan could have done the job. Most modern rear seats don't just lean forward, they fold completely flat into the floor. Look for the release levers in the trunk itself, not just on the seats. This opens up a pass-through that can fit a mountain bike or a flat-screen TV. It effectively turns your sedan into a small van. Before you pay for delivery next time, check those release tabs. Secret number 3. Passenger purse hook hidden in the cabin. Car designers know that bags sliding around the floor are a distraction. Look at the side of your center console or the back of the front headrests. You'll often find a small, fold-out plastic hook. It's rated for about 10 pounds, perfect for a purse, a trash bag, or a takeout order. It keeps your stuff from flying into the footwell when you hit the brakes. Simple, effective, and almost entirely ignored. Secret number 2. Launch Control Race Start feature. If you have a performance-oriented car, you're likely not getting the 0 to 60 times you paid for. Launch Control is a hidden software suite that manages engine RPM and wheel spin for a perfect takeoff. Usually it requires you to be in Sport Plus mode, with traction control off. You hold the brake with your left foot, floor the gas with your right, wait for the Launch Control active light to appear, and let go. It's a violent, beautiful bit of engineering that most owners are too scared or too uninformed to ever try. Just check your manual first so you don't void that warranty. Secret number 1. Speed limiter versus cruise control feature. Everyone knows cruise control, but almost no one uses the speed limiter, often labeled LIM. Unlike cruise control, which maintains speed, the limiter allows you to drive normally but prevents the car from exceeding a set limit. It's perfect for school zones or construction sites where the speed limit drops suddenly. You can floor it, but the car will gently hold you at 25 miles per hour. It's the ultimate ticket insurance.
How many of these were news to you? Drop a comment below. I want to know which one you're going out to test right now. If this saved you a trip to the mechanic or just made your car feel a bit more like a luxury ride, hit that subscribe button. We're deep diving into more mechanic-kept secrets in the next video, so don't miss out. Your wallet and your car will thank you. See you in the next one.